environment should be safe. Now you can see the other picture, the drainage, the waste material from the factories, from the houses, where it is going, it is mixing in the water. So it is affecting the environment again. How it is affecting the environment? Because many of the people, they are dependent on the marine life. Marine life means the aquatic plants and animals present in the water. But if this type of dust, the harmful toxic substances are going to mix in the rivers, in the water, so the aquatic life may be disturbed. So if the aquatic life, it will be disturbed, so many people, they will not able to get the food. So that is again a serious problem. How to dump, where to dump such type of material. So now in this chapter, some simple ways to save the earth, they have also given simple ways to save the earth. So as you can see in your books also, some simple ways to save the earth are just turn off the lights and fan. If we want to help the environment, the simple things that we can do at ourselves also. So that turn off the light and the fans whenever they are not in use. Unplug the electrical appliances. Unplug the environmental appliances like computer, TV. When they are not in use, just unplug them so that the electricity can be saved. Segregate the garbage. Segregate the garbage means the garbage, it is of two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. You can see in the picture also the dustbins, one is the green dustbin and the other side is the blue dustbin. So in the green dustbins, the pictures they have given which type of garbage we can throw. So which type of garbage can be thrown in the green side? So it will be the such type of garbage which cannot be reusable. So in this, just like food waste, it is decayed by the microorganisms by themselves. So green side, the biodegradable waste can be thrown which are decomposed by the microorganisms, and on the blue side the non-biodegradable which need recycling, just like the water bottles, plastic bottles, glass, newspapers, they need a recycling, so they can be thrown in the separate side. So in this way we can just segregate the materials so that it will not create the harm and we can reuse those materials again and again. Now next is the conserve water. We should always conserve the water and we should not waste water. So if you are not wasting the water, in future generation we will not suffer from scarcity of water. And simple way to save the water, as we know, we should use less water for bathing, we should not waste water while brushing teeth, we should use less water when we are washing the clothes, when we are washing the dishes or washing the vehicles, and the leaky faulty pipeline should not be there, because the potable water, the water that is available for drinking, that is available in very less amount, so that should be saved properly. Now the fifth is the recycle paper. So recycling of paper can also be done. So how the recycling of paper can be done? Because as we know, the people, some people, they come to the houses and they collect the newspaper, the old books and copies, then they give to the big they send those type of material to the big factories where it can be recycled again and again. So we should use the recycled paper. Boycott pollutants. So we should boycott pollutants which causes the pollution. So we should not use such type of products. Like which type of product we should not use? Just like at home we are using the plastic bags. So instead of that we can use the the bag made up of cloth. So that can be easily decomposed by the microorganisms. So we should boycott the pollutants. We should use a large amount of solar energy. So solar power, as we know, the sunlight that is coming to the earth, as you can see in the picture also. So solar power heaters are there, which with the help of the sunlight they can make the water warm. So that is again a conventional energy, and it is a good source that instead of because as we know, the electricity we make by using water. So maximum a gallons of water is used to produce the electricity. But if we are going to make such type of panels, the electricity can be saved, the water can be saved. Next is ban all the chlorofluorocarbons. So as we know that in the earth ozone layer, slowly and slowly the ozone layer is depleting. There is the thickness is becoming very thin. So why it is becoming like this? Because many harmful gases, they comes out and they cause a harm in that layer. So we should not use refrigerant such as refrigerator, air conditioners in a large amount. So we should always use eco-friendly refrigerants so that it will not create a problem in the environment. Shop with a reusable bag. That bag can be used again and again, like cotton, jute instead of plastic. Do not litter on roads, highways and public places. And reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. So that is the main thing, that reduce, we should use the material in a less amount, we should reuse them, we should recycle them, and we should recover them again and again for the future generation. Next is the use LED lights. So LED lights and bulbs instead of CFL we should use. Why? Because they are more energy efficient and they reduce the greenhouse gas emission. They have long lifespan and they can save the electricity too much. So thus we should use LED instead of CFL. We should promote afforestation. We should not allow the people to cut the trees. We should plant more and more trees because trees are very precious for us because they give us many things and oxygen is one of them. That is the most important thing. Use fewer chemicals. Fewer chemicals means to wash the body we use a lot of soap, a lot of shampoos. So what are these? These are also the harmful chemicals. They get mixed with the soil, they get mixed with the water. So we should use less chemicals. Buy localized goods. Localized goods means those goods which are easily available to us near to our houses, local area. So if we are going to local areas, definitely we are not going to use our vehicles. So when we go buy food, so we are not spoiling the petrol. So whatever the things are available in our nearby places, we should go and we should buy the product from nearby areas. So if we take this type of step in our day-to-day lives, so definitely the results will be better in future. So if we are going to spread this type of knowledge to the to all the people, so they can save the environment easily. We should take care while dumping the plastic, we should take care while throwing the newspaper, and if we take care of these small things, definitely we are going to save our environment in future. So this is all about your chapter, children. Question answers I will send you through PDF. Thank you, children.